Here's the app called Bala AI Chat with Soulful AI. It's a new trending character AI chatting app. It's getting more traction and more popularity because it seems like Toki AI was completely removed from the App Store. So this is kind of the alternative. Privacy will be fully protected, available to chat 24/7 without queuing, billions of AI characters for you, custom your own soulful character AI, build your personal kingdom in Bala AI. Privacy, chat anytime, billions of characters, speak your own language. So let's take a look. So here is the app. It's kind of like anime chatting app. There is yearly $100 or weekly $10. Then there is daily reward, which you can just get by checking in. So this is what you're getting. And then you can just chat with all the profiles. Then you can just swipe around in here in this app. So that's the idea. And then then you can just start to chat. Then you can create your own chatbot. Then you can explore all the different characters by searching by character name, trait, by ID. Then you have your account. You can set up your default persona. What would you like to be called? What's your name? Your background story. Then you have your wallet where you can earn some gems by watching ads, or you can buy some gems. So that's the idea. And then there's like VIP again, which you can just upgrade. Then here's your collection. And that's basically the idea. So then you have some preferences. Clear cache, you can always delete your account if you like. And that's the app. Don't forget about these daily rewards in the top right. So that's basically the idea of the app. It's quite easy to use. That's where it is, where you can find it. Bala AI Chat with Soulful AI app. Regarding reviews, they're quite okay. Good app so far. Some tweaks. So some people noticing the AI doesn't track names well, or doesn't hold onto things for very long. Needs some work. Some good app, but still few glitches here and there. But overall, it's a. So yeah, that's basically what it is.